I'm gonna keep it real short, real quick though. I just want to give a little message to everybody on their grind. I love doing this because, you feel me? I needed these messages too when I was coming up and doing my grind and shit like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Listen, stay focused, bro. Keep grinding. Ignore the noise. Stay on your path, bro. And don't forget to keep God in your life. I swear, listen, whatever you do, just make sure you keeping God in your life, bro. And keep hustling, keep working, stay focused, bro. Ignore the noise. Ignore the noise. Get back in that room, bro. Get to work. Go back to that, you know what I'm saying? That little go to work, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I did, why can't you? You feel me? At the end of the day, bro, it's you against the world, bro.